Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna tell you about how you can get free audiobooks. So let's get started to this video. So you want to listen audiobooks but you are not quite sure where to listen, and you want to read a lot of books but you are low on budget. In this video, let's look at some free places where you can find a lot of different audiobooks for free, and you can basically get whenever audiobook you want, and you can also download it for free. I personally using it for 2 years, and it has been a great source for learning as much as possible. First, let's look at why should you listen to audiobooks. As much as possible, for first, let's look at why should you be listening to audiobooks. I firmly believe that a lot of people do not have the attention to read a book, whereas if you have an audiobook span to go through them one by one, you can listen to it whenever you want it, and it is going to be a passive way to consume the book. It is going to be a huge time saver for you, and I think you should be looking at audiobooks. I personally listen to a lot of books instead of read them, so let me just show that to you. So the first way is Spotify. So let's open Spotify. So when you open Spotify, it will look like this. So if you want to listen Eat That Frog, okay, so just click on the search and right here Eat That Frog. So this is authored by Brian Tracy. If you want this in English, write here English. If you want this in Hindi, you can write here Hindi also. So this is the audiobook, or you can play this from here like this.
की बदल दी। मैं अब भी हैरान हूँ कि यह सब कितना सरल और स्पष्ट है। बस यह पता लगा ले कि
you can download this from this. Okay. Then again, go on home. Like my library. So this is all about Spotify. Also, you can listen some famous audiobooks like Ikigai, Atomic Habits, Richest Man in Babylon, etc. So all of these books are available for free on Spotify for you to take a look at. So that was the first resource that you can use. Again, it's completely free, so you can also download these audiobooks. Then second source for audiobooks is VK. let's go on VK. So first open Chrome browser. Open your Google and search here vk.com. Then go on welcome. Actually, VK is a Russian copy of Facebook. And basically this has a lot of groups where you can get audiobooks, just go into the music, or you can directly search here for podcast audiobooks. Sorry. So just like I want to listen Eat That Frog, so Eat That Frog. Audiobook and English. So here is this, you can play from here. Now the third thing is by which we can listen audiobooks. So this is YouTube. So just like you want to listen Subtle Art of Not Giving an F audiobook. So right here. Search it, and this audiobook is here. You can play this. In this video, make sure that you will hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Bye.